What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Black Betty channel. I'm just doing a little walk around of the IDI. It's a 7.3 F350 non-turbo. She's got a lot of stuff in the back right now. As you can tell, a bunch of junk. We got hit in the side, so we had to put a different fender on it. But I do got some plans to get her all fixed up. It needs a steering column, a steering box, a steering column, steering box, steering column, and there's something else I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But I do want to fix it up, get some different running boards. I don't know if you've seen on the, well, this back half, as you can kind of tell, it's a little, you know, that one's not bad, but it's kind of gone right there. That one's kind of all dented up. Dog peed on my rim, but it's just plain Jane. There ain't nothing done to it other than we put a stack. We put a stack in here. It was about 2 or 3 years ago. It's I'm not sure what stock exhaust size is, but we kind of just slid it in there, and it's got chicken wire. So whatever the stock pipe is to an 8-inch, and it's held up by some, you know, I'm gonna get all this. I want to actually fix it, make it look good. Kind of dirty. I ain't had time to wash it. But whenever I start, I gotta get Betty finished up. That's my first project that I gotta get done before I can actually start putting money in this thing. Is I'm gonna try and start doing. I'm gonna try and work on the IDI and the Honda so I can get something good on gas to drive around, because you know I don't want to be driving around the old Betty all the time and this diesel drinking thing. But I do got rock stars on the front. I don't currently have them on the back because I don't have lug nuts, but I got the rims right here though. I thought about just putting the stock ones back on the front, but I forgot if I do that I'm gonna buy a tire because it kind of blew out on me. But here's the back rims for the rock stars. Not bad tires, but I'd put new ones on it. They're a little bit dry rotted. But oh, and here's the front tire. It blew out. It blew apart coming down the road. It was a little bit. It wasn't too bad. I mean, people say that whenever a tire blows out, it goes crazy. Unless it's just because it was so heavy, I don't know. But I just heard a big boom, and it was still driving fine. I thought I blew the truck up because whenever I stopped and cut it off, all I heard was. So I was like, okay, maybe something happened. I don't know. I get out and the tire blew apart. There's the stock exhaust that we cut off of it. There's a muffler. I don't know if you can see it, but it blew out on this side. We had to take a sledgehammer and kind of beat this kind of right so it looked halfway decent. It didn't really mess anything up there, which I'm glad it didn't. Everything else about it, I mean, it's stock. That door's locked. But there's the inside. It's a 5-speed, by the way. I forgot to mention that. And the rear end is kind of broken. It used to spin posies, but now it kind of only spins one side, and every now and then it'll lock posies, and it is 2-wheel drive. I thought about doing a 4-wheel drive conversion, but that'll probably be later down the road before I do that. I just want to get it back running where I can get it fixed, it crank up fine. I got to spray some good old go-go juice in there before it start up. But there she is. Not a whole bunch going on, but we got something. Oh, this is my downpipe off of Betty. I kind of blew it off because, you know, somebody just put a pipe on there and beveled the end of it is what it looks like. If you can kind of tell around the edge. But yeah, that's my plans for this truck. Yeah, pull some dents out. Deuces.
Some yeehaw shit.
Yeehaw shit. Well, that was the cold, well, kind of cold start. It ain't been cranked in a while. Like, subscribe, hit that, hit that notification.